Let me ask you a question. How would you actually feel if you were a part of a real group, a real team of people that were working together with the common good to get the same results? Everybody's struggling in this industry, but is it really everybody? It's a select group of people who decided that they wanted to come together and actually work together to build a successful online community. And as you can see there, sales are going awesome. There's a system out there that allows you to earn 7 streams of income. And there's a group of people that's looking to welcome you. A group of entrepreneurs that are looking for other hustlers. People that are looking to learn valuable skills to help them earn commissions on a daily basis. Commissions kind of like how Kelly earned. Kelly got her very first sale not even 9 hours ago. So look at it. This is a system that actually works for everyday people. Instead of a person just coming on camera talking to you about what's possible, why don't you actually look at real results? Real life results from everyday people that are winning, that are earning their first income with affiliate marketing. You could be next. And if you're interested in learning how, I want you to click the link below this video right here and get started with our amazing system. Not only do you have a system that teaches you the necessary skills in order to become successful with affiliate marketing, promoting whatever product or service you actually want, but it actually allows you to be part of a community that congratulates you, that supports you, that's there to help you every step of the way, that's there to share their successes with you, to let you know that it is possible, that everyday people waking up in the morning with leads to their business, and then waking up with smiles on their faces because they know that they have something of value, something worth sharing with everybody, something that is giving them results, and something that they know will help you get results also. So if you're interested in learning more about this amazing system that my mentor has created, I want you to click the link once again so that you can go to the next page and watch a short video. It's only 12 minutes long or so. It's going to give you all the information you need to know to get started in this amazing system. And no, I'm going to tell you right off top, there's no crazy price to get started. Matter of fact, the cost to actually get started is less than a cup of coffee for a lot of people. But I want you to hear about the extra details from my mentor. So I want you to click the link once again. I hope to see you on the inside. And there's a lot of other amazing people that hope to see you on the inside reporting your success next. Have a great rest of your day. Know what you know, and know what you know before you enter that room.
All right, everybody. I know what you're all thinking. You came over here expecting a good time. Maybe some laughs, some snacks, just, well, a party. And trust me, I get it. It's easy to say yes to that kind of thing. After all, who doesn't like a good party, right? But here's the thing, one of the hardest things I've ever had to do was bring all of you together for something more. Something that doesn't just feel good in the moment, but that can actually change our lives. I wanted us to sit down and figure out how we can build something together, something that will bring value to all of us in the long run. A business, to be exact. Now, I don't know if it's the idea of hard work, the fear of failure, or just the discomfort of being serious. But getting people to show up for something that builds your future is 10 times harder than getting everyone together for a party. And that's, well, kind of ironic, don't you think? Anyway, I guess this is my awkward way of saying, let's make today about more than just a good time. Let's make it about building something that lasts.
I'm tired of complaining about not having money. It's time for a change.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.